ट्रिप्स पर तो हम सब जाते हैं, लेकिन दोस्तों के साथ जाने का मजा ही अलग होता है। Taking a trip with your group can be vibrant, happy, full of laughter and fun. In our busy lives, these trips, whether it's a weekend getaway or a month-long vacation, can be very therapeutic. So this Friendship Day, we are telling you about the top 10 places in India where you must go at least once with your friends. फिर चाहे वो party animal friends हो, nature lover हो या adventure enthusiast हो, क्योंकि हर एक friend जरूरी होता है। Let's kick it off with our favorite destination in India, Goa. We all know that Goa is known for its nightlife, clubs, parties and everything fun. ये वो जगह है जहाँ you can go crazy with your favorite bottle of alcohol and dance madly on the trance music and no one will judge you. Spend your day basking in the sun, the evening in spending your money in the awesome flea markets, hire scooters with your gang and let your hair fly. From getting lost in the vibes of Palolem's Leopard Party to shopping at Mapusa's Friday Market, this Goa trip will definitely turn out to be the best and crazy one for you all.
Next one is for nature lover dost. Located in Karnataka, Coorg is called the Scotland of India. The sacred groves, the smell of coffee beans as it's known for its fine coffee plantation, the lush green forest and mighty hills. You can experience it all here. Chaotic metro cities से दूर, Coorg एक बहुत ही perfect जगह है to chill with your friends. There are ample number of waterfalls here, like Abe Waterfall, Chilavara Waterfall, forest camps in the mountains जहाँ भी आप कुछ देर अपने दोस्तों के साथ रुक सकते हैं, and you can also experience the roaring currents through the Barapol river. If you have adventure junkies in your group just like ours, then don't give it a thought and head to Rishikesh. After all, it has so much to offer. जहाँ एक तरफ एज ओल्ड योगा होती है where you can learn the art of meditation और दूसरी तरफ there are so many mind blowing activities like river rafting, camping, bungee jumping and many more. In the evening, you can also witness the magical Ganga Aarti at Triveni Ghat with your friends. And trust us, the positivity that you will feel there can't be even described. Meghalaya is one of the most visited destinations of Northeast, where the summer welcomes you with spring festivals, the monsoon with its intense greenery, and the winters with its blanket of fog and low temperatures. मेघालय में काफी जगहें हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, like the Natyang monoliths, the splendid Krangsuri waterfalls, the double-decker living root bridges, and the Krempuri caves. Or you can also enjoy hot air ballooning through the countryside at Jowai. A trip to Meghalaya will surely leave you visually astounded and mentally relaxed. Did you know that Jaipur has the most Instagrammable spots in India? Which definitely gives us many more reasons to visit here. After all, इतने टाइम तक घर पर बैठने के बाद, it's time to fill our Instagram feeds with some picturesque places. The Pink City is home to a number of marvelous forts, palaces, and magnificent temples. Shops full of beautiful jewelry, juttis, leheriya dupattas, traditional blue pottery. This place is a heaven for a shopaholic. फिर चाहे वो 300 साल पुराना हवा महल हो, अमेर फोर्ट हो, सिटी पैलेस हो, नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट हो या जयपुर के ट्रेडिशनल बाजार्स क्यों नहीं. Each and every place here will take you by awe. We all love partying with our friends, but there are times जब of course मौसम भी अच्छा हो और हमारा एक peaceful getaway पर जाने का मन हो. It's time to go to Pondicherry, which remains tranquil and offers the perfect French colonial setting that looks so attractive. The quaint houses in warm pastel colors, the clean alleys, the picturesque cafes, and the boulevard of trees on the roadsides will win your hearts for sure. You can also have a delectable plate of seafood
and after that even relax with your buddies on the promenade beach. If you and your friends are a beach bum and you know it, then you should go a little far to the Andaman Islands, where the crystal blue waters, white sand and scuba diving in the coral-rich waters are worth a visit. Cruise through the ocean waters to reach the best beaches in India like Radhanagar Beach, Elephant Beach and many more in Havelock Island. It's still a little offbeat, so you all can have a spot for yourself to enjoy the best water sports here. Or maybe relax or relish the seafood while bonding with your best of friends. Now this is one of our favorites in the list, Ladakh. Friends के साथ road trip पर लद्दाख जाना I'm sure हम सबकी bucket list में होगा ही. Just imagine the fun and the experience. The road trip and spectacular views will not let you miss clubbing. So you can leave your all the worries behind and rent a couple of bikes to head to one of the most amazing destinations in the country. Beautiful landscapes, sheer cliffs, long empty roads and gorgeous lakes देखने के साथ साथ you can go all spiritual at the Spituk Gompa Monastery, do river rafting at Zanskar and also enjoy the local food there. If you are a trekker, photographer, historian or someone who just wants to chill, there is a place in Karnataka for you, which is called the Land of Mystery, Hampi. Recognized as UNESCO's World Heritage Site, this town is divided into two sections by the Tungabhadra River. एक तरफ historic temples, architecture and ruins from the Vijayanagara Empire providing a much needed serene and scenic getaway और दूसरी तरफ number of small shacks and cafes filled with Israeli tourists. The sunrise and sunsets over these ruins are also something you must capture. There's another city that we love is the capital of Sikkim, Gangtok, जहां आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ, फैमिली के साथ और even solo भी जा सकते हैं. Humble people, cleanliness, dresses, food and the music are some aspects that makes touring around Gangtok quite memorable. This charming hill station is surrounded by beautiful scenery at every step, especially the stunning view of the snow-capped Mount Kanchenjunga. यहाँ काफ़ी सारे beautiful monasteries और lakes भी हैं, which you must visit. इसके साथ साथ you can also opt for a cable car, which provides a spectacular view of Gangtok Market, Valley and other places in its 15 to 20 minutes journey. So guys, that was our list of top 10 places in India where you should definitely go with your friends. Let us know in the comment section below which place are you gonna tick off first. And don't forget to like and share this video with your group. With this, Curly Tails wishes you a very happy Friendship Day.